Hello, I'm Lucy Hafen. I am a special education teacher at California Montessori Project in the Sacramento, California area. I have been a case manager this is my 5th year, and I have had students with autism on my caseload since the beginning, and working through with students from TK through up to 8th grade. Now, mostly I'm working with the younger, which is TK through 3rd. Personally, I am a mother and 3 sisters who have autism, and my 16-year-old daughter was diagnosed in October, and it's interesting to have gone through this simultaneously while also taking the autism authorization classes. It's brought me new insight into the assessments and all the pieces that we've been learning about. Father at first resisted the medical diagnosis and filed a complaint with the insurance company. And then an independent evaluator corroborated the diagnosis, and he has since come around and been more receptive and I'd say a team player. But now there's also some resistance with the school district where she is just qualified for an IEP, but the psychologist is not wanting to put autism as a primary or secondary area of disability on the IEP. And so there is some disagreement there that we still need to work out. So anyways, it's fascinating. But what I'm most proud of doing this program so far is this year has been insanely hard. The first 3 months, I was a one-on-one for a severe autistic student. I'm still the case manager for that student, but I have built a Mod Severe program which we did not have previously for this student, and I've had to learn everything on the fly, all about PECs, all about discrete trial training, using the TEACH system, incorporating the TEACH system into the general education setting where the student is spending most of her time with a one-on-one, now that we have the one-on-one here. And just trying to get through school while I'm doing all this and trying to run 2 different classroom programs at the same time it's insane that I have to do it, but that's probably what I'm most proud of, is that I'm still standing so far. As far as my bucket list for the next 5 years, this journey with my daughter specifically has been quite eye-opening to see what happens with the traditional school district that she is in and how they have responded or not responded to some of the concerns that we have had regarding her executive functioning and harassment and bullying by peers on and off campus. And it has been disappointing, needless to say, and I think that in 5 years, I would like to see myself do more to bring about change, to help students who are at least born female and autistic have their rights marginalized or their concerns marginalized, because autism looks differently for them than it does a boy. And I just think that there's a lot of misinformation or misunderstandings or assumptions that need to be brought into question. And so that's probably a kind of a broad brush goal, but I would just like to do more in terms of awareness, outreach, and be a part of the support network for parents and students and families and That's it.